generations. Every masterpiece starts on a blank canvas. Then, as the idea takes shape, as the outline takes form, as every color of paint is layered and every brush stroke is moved, the canvas is no longer what it was. It has been changed permanently because of all these elements that have been painstakingly and lovingly added on to it. Now it is a masterpiece with a new purpose and the ability to change others as it has been changed. Like a masterful work of art, museum, meaning new experiences for kids in the museum, was also born from a blank canvas. This project started out as an idea, and now, 1 year later, it has finally come to fruition. With the dedication and support of the Museum Foundation of the Philippines and Jollibee, whose team members added layers and helped mold the project into what it is today, Museum has the potential to change the lives of children for the better through art. With Jollibee's Kiddie Party channel, Museum will have a platform to reach the children who will benefit from this project the most. At every Jollibee Kiddie Party, all the children will be given activity sheets featuring the masterpieces of Filipino artists such as national artist Arturo Luz, masters Fernando Zobel and Mauro Malang Santos, sculptor Peter de Guzman, and illustrator Shari Popadilla. Coloring these sheets will help them develop their creativity and open their eyes to the world of art. Moreover, the coloring sheets will feature coupons that the children can use as tickets to gain free entry into our partner museums. This will also make them eligible to participate in a raffle where the top prize is a Jollibee Kiddie Party worth 6,000 pesos. They will walk among the works of the greatest artists of our time. They will behold beautiful works of art and hopefully gain the insight that these were crafted by hands the same as theirs. Perhaps they will be inspired to think of all the wonderful things that they too can create. Who have added their own masterful brushstrokes to turn vision into reality. To Marites Pineda, our president of the Museum Foundation, and our co-members, Mariles Bustillo, Ginger Arts, Johan Espiritu, Mel Francisco, and our host, Martin Lopez. Thank you for your dedication and contributions to this project. To Harvey Pong, child, and to change the public sense that the arts are lovely but not essential. In this way, we can give children the opportunity to benefit from all that exposure to art can offer, especially to inspire them to strive for excellence and greatness, just like the masters whose works they will get to see. Museum, we hope, will be the beginning steps in a lifelong journey that will help influence and inspire a new generation of children, one coloring sheet and one museum visit at a time. Thank you.